I make abono because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. Wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? Ay, buti ka pa. Ako never.
Ellen Adarna never nga raw nabigyan ng allowance ng kanyang asawa. May nagsabi nga kasi na netizens na kahit daw sila ay hindi mayaman ay may allowance sa asawa. Napasagot tuloy si Ellen na buti ka pa, ako never.
Tuesday, it was a topic before, like husbands giving allowances to their wives, and sa witness yung mga friends ko nito. They were there when he said it. Ba't ko bibigyan ng allowance yung asawa ko? Ano siya? Bayaran? Naiyahang panindigan.
Talagang pinanindigan nga raw ni Derek ang kanyang sinabi na dahilan kay Ellen. At witness sa mga kaibigan ni Ellen dahil narinig rin nila ito. Wala ngang allowance talaga si Ellen na natatanggap mula umpisa pa ng marriage.
Well, there was food, but like sometimes makulang. Like the first 2 years in the marriage, like pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. Kasi kulang, alias has his own, alias is provided. Kasi nakahiya naman, diba, na parang naki-ride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my stuff. And my tampons, my toiletries, that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just...
Ang nag-grocery nga raw sa bahay nila ay ang mother ni Derek, at kapag kulang daw ito ay si Ellen na nga ang mismong bumibili ng mga kailangan niya. Ang mga groceries din ng kanyang mga yaya ay siya rin ang gumagastos. Mayroon nga siyang 5 yaya. Natagalan nga ni Ellen ang ganitong setup. Natauhan na nga lang si Ellen ng pagsabihan ng kanyang pamilya.
At the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay? You know what, parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg, don't ask for anything, but if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang ano kasi na swerte, tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na yun na yung rules ko, kung hindi kayo magbigay, then walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago. Iceland, tell your mom to visit us. Come visit us.
Nitong nagkaraang holidays araw ay matagal na hiram si Liana at nalaman ng pamilya ni Ellen na hindi nagsusustento si Derek sa anak. Maganda nga ang kanilang payo na tama nga lamang ito at madalas nakakasama't nahihiram si Liana. Kayang-kaya naman nga suportahan ni Ellen ang anak. Kung ayaw magbigay ay hindi niya pipilitin dahil hindi naman kailangan.
Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk. I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children. So, di namin yun nakita and di namin ma-trace. Sana he can provide receipts. So, it's there. But he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months. But I already bought also. Good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw.
Hindi nga nagbibigay ng cash itong si Derek at kung magbigay noon ay mismong gatas at diaper ang pinapadala. Ngayon nga ay napilitan na mag-abot pero using credit card. Mainam na rin nga ng malaman saan ang spending nito at may limit talagang nakalagay.
So, to be honest, Dino, ang kasama sa group chat, hindi lang ex-girlfriends. And I didn't create that group chat. I was invited. There are ex-friends, ex-best friends, ex-girlfriends, and ex-family members of his. And some family members of his. That's part of the group chat. So, yeah, interesting. Active pa rin yung GC.
Sinabi naman ni Ella na mga kabilang sa GC ay hindi lamang mga ex-girlfriend. Nandito rin ang mga ex-friends, ex-best friends, ex-family members, at ilang family members. In-invite nga lang daw si Ella at hindi siyang gumawa ng group na ito. At hanggang ngayon, very active daw ang GC nila.
Uy, asa ka? Asa nasad ka? First time, you should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's